So here's a Fuzion. We're gonna walk in, but look how big this thing is, guys. I cannot wait to go inside this beast. Oh, hello! Welcome! It is the Fuzion 430. Let's open up this bad boy for the first time. Got the screen detach. Steps, stairway to heaven up here to the bedroom, straight to the right. And then we've got your living areas. Can't wait to explore this with you guys. Here's your in command, all your information on the camper. And then look at this bedroom again. Massive. I love these floors. Really sweet accent. The colors are calm. Nice TV. Bet you this is a slide door closet. Ooh wee. More closet over here. Got your AC. It's nice to have AC unit in the bedroom. Beautiful double entry to your walk-in dry bath shower with the wand. Really nice. Toilet by Dometic. Sink, vanity. Whew. Big time, y'all, big time. It's so big, you got a door, then you got a window above your door. Gotta have that. Okay. These are from the Thomas Paine collection. Really nice seats. Sit down to your massive TV over the fireplace. Got all of your ACs and lights. Again, I see a massive double fridge, and then your double freezer up top. I mean, come on, y'all. Fill that up with some good eats and be gone for a month or two. This is a Norcold, by the way. We got your FURRION stove, cooktop, convection oven. And then here's your sink. Again, I mean, I love this. I love the natural light coming in. Here's the Fuzion Innovations. The old fifth wheel toy haulers. Beautiful. Let's see what's over here. Oh, just more and more room. And then this, I think there's a whole another like bunk up there. I don't even know. But then this is where you put your toys at. Look at this. Huge space. And it's got all these tie downs integrated into this kind of like garage matting floor. So you get oil, gas, and all that stuff on there. No big deal. Here's your second entry. Oh, gotta have the TV. Outdoor speakers, another AC unit. Let's see what's behind this door. Bam! The second bathroom, y'all. Look at this. That thing is high too. I know a few people that need that much room and they can fit in it. Unreal. Oh, here's your bunks. So these sofa, all these come down and then you can sleep, like stack them up high and tight. Unbelievable. And then this opens up to your patio. which I'm not going to open up, but as you can see, there's the patio that folds down. But then again, this is the ramp. This is where you put your four-wheelers or motorbikes or whatever. 3,000 pound capacity for the cargo area. And then it looks like you got two of your two sleeping areas up there that would come down. They come down right here. And it could be like a sofa seating area and then a bed up there. And you got your storage to reach. Oh, this is cool. So this is like a see-through. So you can see all the way through this massive fifth wheel. Woo! Okay, so here underneath you've got, on this Fuzion you're owning, man, look at that. The QG 5500 watt. Here's your fifth wheel connect. Got 1, 2 more slides on this other side. And then this one comes equipped with the equalizer system for the jacks. Here's all the manufacturer information. Your tire load. But this model, the FZ43021, we're gonna put all that information up here for y'all. Woo! Man, hydraulics, shower. Well, you got your winterization. This is a pass-through, but you got your black tank, gray tank, your power disconnect, battery disconnect. We got like a whole deck that folds out. Put your kitties on there. Look at this. This is right off the back. It flips down off of this. So now you just got like a whole Insta porch off of your freaking massive fifth wheel. Y'all, this is big league. All right, Fuzion. We'll have all the specs for you. Hope you enjoyed this little review on this particular little number, and we'll see you on the next one.